This is my honest review of the Yoha Chair Modern Barstools. We got this barstool for a setup too, and we bought a couple for our kitchen island. This barstool is so easy to assemble. So here's a few clips on how I put it together. Did I mention that this barstool is so easy to assemble? And these are the gas lifts. And all you need to do is just put it right there. The ring locks it, and it's not going to come off. But do not forget to remove that plastic cap. Otherwise, your bar stool will not go up and down. So make sure you remove it. Now the legs is made of thick solid metal, and the lever that connects to the gas lift is already installed. Now the seat comes with the easy install manual, which I doubt that you will need. And here's the thing that you need to take note. Make sure that arrow and the footrest is facing the same direction before you screw in the legs to the seat. Once you're done, all you need to do is just slide the legs on top of the gas lift and you're done. This bar stool has a modern design and it looks very elegant. The fabric itself is made of high quality soft velvet, and the ergonomic design of the seat and the backrest allows you to sit on it for a long period of time without straining your back. This also swivels 360 degrees, and with the thick metal construction of the pedestal base and its legs, this bar stool is not only modern and elegant, but it's also durable. And this lever is so easy to use, so you can easily adjust the height of the bar stool according to your preference. So if you're looking for a modern, elegant, comfortable, and durable bar stool, this is the Yoha Chair Modern Barstools. Thanks for watching.